Well, hello everyone. It's the first weekend in February 2014 and I hope you can hear me over the wind noise. I thought I'd come out today and I'd show you my QRP Go Pack. This is a Rush 511-24 rucksack, and one of the first things you'll notice about the rucksack is that it's covered with these little straps, and these are called molly straps. And it means you can buy other things to stick on the outside of this rucksack. You can buy straps, bags, pouches, pretty much for anything that you would want. So what I've purchased is I've purchased a drinks bottle container. This isn't made by Rush 24, this is made by another company whose name I completely forget. But again, it just literally straps onto the bag. I've bought a 511 radio pouch so I can stick my handheld radio in here, and some other straps as well that I've purchased that I can put my camera tripod on, which you can't see, which is over there at the moment. So you can see that it's very versatile. I've also put my water bottle on the outside here. This is my Canteen water bottle, so there's a metal cup that comes with it, and you'll see it over there next to my firebox, which I'll come to in a minute. But that's basically, that all goes in there. The other side of the pack, let me turn it around. The other side of the pack, this long black sleeve here, contains a 10-metre roach pole, and it's one of the compact roach poles from Sota Beams. This entire thing here, there's two fiberglass poles in here as well to anchor it down to the floor, but that is a 10-metre mast all inside there. I'm not going to get it out today, it's a bit windy, and to be honest with you, I'm not in the mood for putting up a bloody mast today, so you'll have to take my word for it. In fact, it was on my Barbary Castle radio playing clip, which I'll put a link to around about here in the video for you. The rucksack itself is a clamshell design. It's got one main pocket on the front, and let me show you the contents I've got in here. I've got a Laplander wood saw. I've got a very cheap knife here, which gets used and abused quite a lot. Multi-tool, and another knife as well, which also gets used and abused quite a bit. I've got a torch, pencil, spork, some coax connectors, fire lighting equipment in here, which is basically a lighter, some wet fire, striker, and some tinder in there. I keep it in that bag so it keeps dry no matter what. My Pride and Joy Bushcraft Jackklaw, which is here. And that's pretty much it in there. Oh, there's a tripod in here for my camera so that I can mount it as well. There's survival saw. I don't know where I've got that in there. I think my wife bought that for me. And then there's some paracord and some mast guying equipment in there as well. That's the front pocket. So here we go. This is the main radio equipment in here. I've got some paracord and some bank line. Bank line, I'm really converted to it. It's for everybody that puts masts up. This stuff is an absolute genius. It's a £160 braking line, so it's pretty strong, and you can tie it around things and put up masts, etc. I do have some paracord as well because I just like that little bit extra sturdiness as well, but I haven't got as much paracord as I used to. All my power cables, leads, etc. for the radio are in here. Further down in this pocket here, I've got a Sota Beam link dipole in there. I've got a seat, which you've seen in previous videos, I'm sure. More paracord, which has fallen on the floor. Here I've got a tarp, so I can set up a temporary weatherproof, rainproof shelter, and also something dry to sit on if I'm out and about. Here is my KX3 in its little pouch, tucked very nice and snug in there. If you can see in here, I've got my headphones with my PTT lead in there, And you would have seen I did a video earlier today, my power cable, my power box, my tracer power block, and that's it. The only other thing that I have as well is I have my firebox. At the moment it's just cooling down. Made myself a nice cup of coffee earlier on, and that sits in the back of the rucksack, nice and sturdy and tucked away. It's not a lightweight pack, I'd grant you, but I'm pretty comfortable. I've got everything I need. I can set up a shelter. If it's absolute halloum minute down with rain, I'll be dry. It's very comfortable indeed. I'm a bit of a big chap, so I always worried about this this yoke here that goes around your neck, but I'll be honest with you, it's absolutely fine. And so I hope that gives you enough insight into my QRP Go Pack. I will be doing another video, I'm sure, of me out and about with it again soon. Just time at work at the moment, it's a bit horrendous, so I can't really spend too much time out and about. Today is my one day off this week, so so there we go. So I'm going to sit down, I'm going to enjoy my coffee, I'm going to enjoy the view on this Sunday afternoon. Let my firebox cool down, pack him away, and then mosey on home. Ready for a Sunday roast, no doubt. Catch you later.